Hi everyone, this is Shalini, your IELTS expert from Astron Institute of International Studies. Well, I'm back today for all the IELTS students, and today I am going to share some tips and strategies to tackle the reading section of IELTS. Reading happens to be a very important and tricky section of IELTS, although it's a very scoring section, but you do need some tips and tricks on how to get an 8+ score in the reading section of IELTS. So let us begin. First of all, you need to develop skills for each question type in reading. So in reading there are 14 different question types like matching the headings, true, false, not given, sentence completion, summary completion, etc. So you need to find your own strategies to tackle the different question types in reading. Secondly, you need to adopt the strategies of skimming and scanning in order to get a good score. So you need to skim and scan the passages. So skimming is basically reading the passage to get a general idea of the content, and scanning is quickly reading the passage in order to find specific information. So these two strategies are extremely helpful in finding the correct answers timely. Thirdly, you need to develop your speed reading skills. So as we all know that there is a strict time limit in IELTS. You are supposed to finish 3 passages in a span of 1 hour. So you really need to develop your speed reading skills so that you are able to finish the test in time. Otherwise that becomes a real challenge. Let's move ahead. Next is that you need to focus on keywords. So all the questions in IELTS have some keywords that help you to locate the right answers. So you should be able to spot the keywords in order to use them correctly and find the right answer. Okay. And lastly, you must practice, because practice makes perfect. So you should practice at least 8 to 10 reading tests, whether academic or general, in order to get a good score. So that's all I have for you today. Next week I definitely will come back with some more tips on IELTS. So keep watching, and if you like this video and found it useful, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.